Hello friends, hello students, welcome back to our Maharshi Sanjipani YouTube channel. Myself is Tarun Patel. Today we start grade 6 subject maths. All of you know about mathematics. We are learning about natural numbers, whole numbers, okay, in our term 1 examination. टर्म 1 में हमने ये सीखा है कि नेचुरल नंबर किसको बोलते हैं, होल नंबर किसको बोलते हैं. वी आर लर्निंग अबाउट मोर अदर थिंग्स, बट इन टर्म 2 ऑल ऑफ यू नो अबाउट COVID-19 is there and the restriction, protection for our own selves. We have started our online session. All of you protect yourself with use mask, wear mask, hand wash time to time. And protect yourself to stay home, stay safe. घर से बाहर unnecessary work के लिए बाहर मत निकलो. Okay? Then we started our topic about maths. So what is maths? We are learning maths is a simple logic in our previous topic. But now today we are learning about integer. Integer सीखने के लिए पहले हम सीख लेते हैं natural number. What is natural number? Natural number. We write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All are natural number. If we put 0 in front of 1, what happens is known as whole number. If we write down this one is whole number from here to onward. If we write down from here is known as natural number. We know that the natural number from any number, we move right hand side, the number is always increase. And what happens, we move from any number to left hand side, the number is always decrease. We are known in our social life also. If we purchase anything, suppose are you going at shopkeeper, are you give 5 rupees, taken 5 rupees pen, are you borrow the 5 rupees pen, are you give 10 rupees. Then what happened? The shopkeeper give you 5 rupees back. Give you 5 rupees back. Why? That is we got the result 0 because हमारे पैसे सिर्फ 5 rupees दे रहे हैं और हमने कितने दिए 10 rupees. मतलब हमारे 5 rupees ज्यादा चले गए. In our neighboring condition sometimes if we want some things, we are going to our neighbor or in our class, we are taken the pen from some other students. If we forgot the pen at our class, तो what happen? उस टाइम पे हम अपने बाजू वाले स्टूडेंट से पेन या इरेजर कुछ भी ले लेते हैं. But when we are come second day, on next day, we give back the pen or eraser. Okay? That is the value of 0. Means हमें अपना हिसाब है वो क्या करना है? एडजस्ट कर देना है. जिसको चीज ली उसको वापस करना पड़ेगा या तो उस पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स का हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? पे करना पड़ेगा. ओके? तो दैट्स इज आवर इंटीजर. हाउ वी नो अबाउट इंटीजर? वी आर लर्निंग. वी आर राइट डाउन वन थिंग्स इज हियर एंड राइट डाउन वन गेम. हियर two girls are there and 2 students are there. Here we play dice, red and blue. When the dice is red, we add and move forward, and the dice is blue, we move the backward. Sunita and Reshma, write down the digits from 0 to 21. Who one is first reach at 20 is the winner. Then it started with Sunita is taken the dice, the red one is there, and he write down here to here. Then after Reshma turn is there, Reshma is taken the dice from back. He taken blue one and the number is 1. We say that blue one is go backward. We write down from 5 to 4. Again Sunita is taken the dice, blue one is there, is 2 points, then we write down here. Okay? Then Reshma turn. Again Reshma is taken red dice. Red dice है मतलब क्या हुआ? Move forward. How many points? 3 points. Then after Sunita is taken the dice, he get blue one and 6 points. Here we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But he doesn't write down on the left hand side any number. So where he is write down? So he decide he also write down the same number on left hand side also. Then he reach at 1. Means in whole number we write down 0 to right hand side all numbers, but some other numbers also are there in left hand side. Then after Reshma turn is there, he also taken blue dice and the number is 3. Then he reach at 4. Then that's where we both are playing the game. Then next he taken the dice at 6, then 5, then 4. Okay, same way he playing the game again and again and reach at 20. Who one is reach first 20 is the winner. This is the game and we learn that the number from 0 से left hand side में भी कुछ होना चाहिए. That's why we learning the on number line how we write down the left hand side number from 0. 0 से left hand side पे हम क्या लिखेंगे वो हम number line पे सीख रहे हैं. Okay? We are making number line like that. From here we write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We know that on number line the distance between 0 and 1 and 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 is unique distance. मतलब सभी में के बीच में डिस्टेंस कैसा होता है? इक्वल. सपोज सेम थिंग्स इफ यू वांट टू राइट डाउन, यहाँ 1 है तो इस साइड भी हम इतना ही डिस्टेंस लेते हैं तो क्या लिखेंगे 1. सेम में 0 to 2, अगर 0 से हम इतना ही डिस्टेंस लेते हैं तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? यहाँ डिस्टेंस 2 है तो यहाँ पर का भी डिस्टेंस कितना होगा? 2 ही होगा. सेम वे वी राइट डाउन ऑल दिस नंबर एट हियर 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Okay, but we are known that in maths no any number is repeating same direction. अगर यहाँ भी 2 है और यहाँ भी 2 है, that is not possible. Or we know that we are moving from any number to right hand side, the value is always increase. We are moving from left hand side, the value is always decrease. From 0 to 1, तो 1 क्या हो गया? बड़ा हो गया. लेकिन यहाँ भी 1 है तो क्या करेंगे? Then the mathematician is write down in front of the number minus sign. Then we say that the number is known as negative number. The distance between 0 and minus 1 is same as 0 and 1. Okay? But now what happened? The all number is known as integer. The all number is known as integer. तो यहाँ क्या हुआ? पॉजिटिव नंबर. यहाँ क्या है? 0 and this one is negative number. क्या हुआ? नेगेटिव नंबर. तब इंटीजर किसको बोलेंगे? तो नेचुरल नंबर, होल नंबर मीन्स 0 and if we write down -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, all this number from here to here is known as integer. Is known as integer. Understand? What is the integer? Is not ending here. Is go. Natural number कहाँ तक जाता है? Infinite. Same way, the number is going infinite. The number is going infinite. Then we say that the smallest natural number is 1. The largest natural number is infinite. Okay, the smallest whole number is 0 and the largest whole number is infinite. Same way in integer, the largest integer is infinite एंड द स्मॉलेस्ट इंटीजर इज, स्मॉलेस्ट कौन सा होगा? तो यहाँ तो स्मॉलेस्ट है ही नहीं, इन्फिनाइट तक चला जाएगा। जैसे प्लस में जा रहा है मतलब पॉजिटिव में जा रहा है, तो यहाँ क्या आएगा? नेगेटिव इन्फिनाइट। माइनस में जो सबसे बड़ी वैल्यू होगी वो क्या होगा? सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू। क्लियर? ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट दैट इंटीजर, नेचुरल नंबर, होल नंबर एंड नेगेटिव नंबर इज नोन एज, ये सबका हम प्लस कर देते हैं, प्लस नेगेटिव नंबर प्लस 0 प्लस पॉजिटिव नंबर मीन्स इज इंटीजर्स। क्या बोलते हैं? Integers. Now we are learning about how to represent the number on number line. So here we represent the number on number line. Here 0 is there. Suppose we want to represent 5. What we are doing? We are find out 5 here. Then we write down here 5. That's why we represent the number on number line. Suppose we want to 2. So when we write down 2, 5, 2, 0, minus 3 and minus 7, minus 6. Okay. Where is 0? We write down here 0. Where is minus 3? Here 3 is there. From here. But here minus 3 is there. So we write down here minus 3. Then minus 6. We write down here minus 6. Okay. That way we represent the number on number line. Sometimes the number line is given like that. Then after you want to represent the number, suppose we write down here the number 5. So we write down here 5 is there. Okay. Here 2. Then 0. Then minus 3. Then minus 6. Okay. This way we represent the number on number line. Suppose you want to write down where is minus 3. Minus 3 कहाँ है? तो 3 step left hand side from 0. 3 step left from 0. If you want to do about 5, what happened? तो 5 step right from 0. Okay. This way we write down the particular number's value. 0 से 5 step right hand side जाएंगे तो क्या आएगा? 5. 0 से left hand side पे 3 step जाएंगे तो क्या आएगा? minus 3. Okay. I hope all of you learning this online session, learning this video properly and learn how we write down the integer and how we represent the integer on number line. Okay. I hope all of you stay home, stay safe. Nice day.